Kublai pi barong ipedang sengobai pi syakan ni ketup kebor jungi mentah ke janmit. Hasyam nyazdang ini pecwa ya kimat kiba kongsan. Banjur ka Presiden Kari ka Drapadi Murmu halor ka jingdan kam ban penyar ya ka jingmut ban penyo ya ka hok ya borok. Penlong ka Meghalaya Trinamool Congress ya ka Town Hall meeting with Dr. Mukul Sangma hanong ba Shillong. Penlong ka Women's College ya ka jing emerging mut halor ka pang bridging the mind gap of North, East and Mainland. Batsya penkuk buram kinong ilek kai ka Ribhoy ki Belawan Raknam ya ka district. Ki khubor ki babnya. Ka Presiden Jongkari ka Drapadi Murmu kala banjur halor ka jingdan kam ban penyar ya ka jingmut ban penyo ka hok ya baro. Ha ka jing ai jing kran ka jongka ha ka singi rakhi ya ka Human Rights Day ka ba nyupusaw hanong ba Delhi hene ka singi. Ka Presiden Jongkari kala ong ba ka jing penyar ya ka rukam perkhat bat ki kam isen ai kilong ki ba kerpang ban kentiu ya ka hok long briu man briu. Kala benrap syuk balada ki briu ki bu iladi ha ka jaka jong kitu ki ba sya le ben. Kani kan penlong yaki ban peipang bat ban penlong yaki ban le ya ka bedon kam. Habakran halor ka jing sedang jong ka National Human Rights Commission man house nambalala ka Murmu kala ong ba ka National Human Rights Commission kaya le kat bala ban pensapriang ya ka hok ha ka long briu man briu.
The fact remains that human rights are a work in progress around the world. At home, however, we can take solace in the fact that the National Human Rights Commission has been making the best possible efforts to spread awareness about them. Now, in its 30th year, the NHRC has done a commendable job of protecting as well as promoting human rights.
Ka Meghalaya Trinamool Congress hinin kasngi kala penlong ya ka Town Hall meeting with Dr. Mukul Sangma. Kabari ka program emerging mut bat ki samla ka Meghalaya. Ki samla ki bana ki kam per ki ba kintup ya ki samla puli. Ki riu shampang ki nong seng kam lajong ki nong tem bat ki nong ile kai na ka rilum khasi ki lawan bai ni shimbenta ha ka te ka program. Kani ka long ka benta ka ba ar jong ka jingela pat ba jong ka Meghalaya Trinamool Congress ban pensngu pat ba ya ka jing temu jong ka seng. Haba ajing keren halor ka jingkiu jong ka jing kerdu kam ha ka jela. U Dr. Mukul Sangma ulo ong ba ki danta ki hajar tli ki kam ki balaj. Hendrai 4 shimla thung yiki. U Dr. Mukul ula pen bernyaru ya ki pat ba da ki saprwai ki jong u ha kane kasngi.
As policymakers, we assume upon ourselves, I think we have proven in the past, in the preceding years when we had a similar kind of privilege to be in the handbook of affairs and governance, we have embarked upon a number of multiple initiatives to create multiple spaces of job for different job seekers.
Ka Women's College Shillong ha ka jing snok tilang bat ka Miranda House Delhi hini kasngi kila penlong ya ka jing emerging mut ka bashisngi halor ka phang bridging the mind gap North, East and Mainland. Ka jing tmu jong kane ka jing emerging mut ka long ban penyadai ya kinong song snong basa ha ki rithor ka India bat kinong song snong ka than stilam mi ngi. Ha ka ba ki pat ba jong ka than stilam mi ngi bun sin ki sngo ba ki sha e ben. Ya kani ka jing emerging mut la ple da secretary ka North Eastern Council o Moses Chalai bat haba ajing kren ha kani ka sngi ula ong ba ka jing tai ya kari ka wan ha ki rukom ki babun kum ki jing long jong ki jaka ki history ki ktien ki jing yok mentoi ba mar kiliang.
Throughout the world. And sir, I have written a poem.
This is it's an age of information and technology. And technology is, I mean, today we are taking things for granted, but we are sitting in different places, including the friends on the screen, and yet we can work out things together. So, because of technology, though of course, physical meeting still is, I think, still irreplaceable in some respects. But no, we can still try to make up as much as we can with technology. And this is the time of technology.
La penlong ya ka jingyalang jong ka Jawai Block Trinamool Congress hini kasngi hamadan yele akai ka chut waku ha ka babun ngut ki patba kilawan ban penyaso bat kaseng. Hak ni kajing elang lapen bena ya uba Andrew Shulai kum ukurtong ka seng banyeng na Juai constituency hak election ka bansalong. Hak ni kajing elang lawan banishimenta do unong yelam ka seng TMC umana Saranjan Bunya, State President ka TMC uba Charles Pongrup bad unong yelam ka liang persya o Dr. Mukul Sangma. Kaseng kala kamru ba kajing wan penyesok ki patba bad kaseng kapentikna ya kajing kiu jong kaseng hak ni kajela. Kasinjuk kirang ba nong Ribhoy District ni kasngi. Kila penkop burom ya kinong ilek kai ki bana Ribhoy District. Kibla wanra nam ya ke district kabakentop ya ke Lumpung North East Olympic Games kabrang syukut shen. Katwaingut kinong ilek kai kila sya penkop burom ha kasinjuk kirang ba nong Ribhoy District. Halor ka jingla ka jongki banyok kurtakma ha ki jingilek kai ba per jong ka Lumpung North East Olympic Games. Kasinjuk kirang ba nong kala penkop burom ru ya i Margaret Pathau. Halor ka jingla ka jong i ban kurtakmak siar ha ka World Arm Wrestling Championship ka brang syuk longshan ha Turkey. Ukurtong kaseng National People Party ha North Shillong constituency uba ransam setengah. Hini kasngi ula penlong ya ka blood donation camp ha Pasture Institute. La wan bani shimta da bon ngut ki bas ngothu ya ka jington kam jong ka blood donation camp bat ka jing ice nam ngobha. Haba ajing keren ha kini kasngi uba setengah ula ai mensiam ya ki samla bakin wan chakmat ban ice nam ngobha ka bala ban yarap ya ka jing embryo.
I understand that as you've said, this is a noble cause, okay? And donating blood, it is an act of solidarity, and also, it is an effort, to save life. Life is precious, and blood is life-giving, to anyone who need it.
Mentagin pet ya kajilong jiman ka sinbreng hasalong. Kajing shet kalong kat pra point pra degree Celsius bat kajing kriat kalong pra point way degree Celsius. Kajing singam kawaw kalong rupoi nak shispa ka por step bat nyop nak shispa ka por janmit. Kasun bereng kan rang hasalong. Sa shisin pat ipin kan mau biang ipi baya kani ka kubor ka jongi. Pilar ban pet live ha ki YouTube channel bat pilar ban pet ya ki kubor ba man lakasngi ha ka Facebook ka Twitter bat ka Instagram jong ka Didi News Shillong. Haswa bangin pinkot in pet biang saisin ya ki mat ki bukong san. Banjur ka Presiden kari ka Draupadi Murmu halor ka jingdan kampan penyar ya ka jingmut ban penyo ka hok ya barok. Penlong ka Meghalaya Trinamool Congress ya ka Town Hall meeting with Dr. Mukul Sangma hanong ba Shillong. Penlong ka Women's College ya ka jingimir jingmut halor ka Phang bridging the mind gap North East and Mainland. Batsya penkuk buram kinong ilek kai ke Ribhoy kiblawan raknam ya ke distrik. Te perlok katung lapoi sya ka bekut jang kini ketup kubor jengi menta ke janmit. Hadup dah syam mengembat pila syai ke sengi kublai pi baro.
Physics don't call the shots, and sound travels slower than you. This is a